Unlocking the mystery of hose clamps. Hello, everyone. Today, we'll be diving into the practical world of everyday objects and unraveling the mystery behind hose clamps. These little devices may not be commonly discussed in English classes, but they're essential in various applications around us. A hose clamp is a simple device used to attach and seal a hose onto a fitting, like a barb or nipple. They come in various sizes and designs, each suitable for different types of hoses and applications. In this section, we'll explore the different types of hose clamps such as screw, band, worm gear, clamps, spring clamps, wire clamps, and ear clamps. Each type has its own unique mechanism and use case. Using a hose clamp is quite straightforward. We'll go over the basic steps. 1. Select the correct size. 2. Position it over the hose. 3. Tighten it to create a seal. Hose clamps may be small, but their applications are vast. They are used in automotive systems, home plumbing, and even in medical devices. We'll look at how a hose clamp works in these settings. And that's a wrap on hose clamps. Simple yet versatile, hose clamps are the unsung heroes in many mechanisms we rely on daily. I hope this video has shed some light on these handy devices. Stay curious, and keep learning.